my channel because I'm going to take you to the top attractions of Colorado. Garden of Gods, how fascinating name. Yes, we are going to the National Natural Landmark of US, Garden of Gods. Whether you want to enjoy scenic beauty or outdoor activities like rock climbing and hiking and trail running, this is the perfect place. It's a 60-minute drive from Denver City. Let's get started. And as usual, we have got some really delicious Indian authentic food from home, and you can see it's chickpeas, chana masala with white rice and pickle. Garden of Gods, you can see at my back. Rosalie with us today. Hi. Are you visiting here first time?
He is, and I actually live here in Colorado. Oh. The number one place I bring everybody that comes.
Oh. Jenna, I love your hat. You're looking so cool.
I love my hat too. Thank you very much.
I do too. Trail now, farmer trail. It's going to be fun. Let's see what we can see. Can we spot some rattlesnakes? wonderful day today exploring the Garden of Gods, but it's quite a big park with 29 trails and some of the most spectacular stone formations, but we could not see the complete park in one day, and I think we will have to come again here, and we'll come very soon, and then we'll show you again the rest of the park.